One of the reasons people love Charles County is because of our great school system. But did you know that we have more portable classrooms per capita than any other county in the state of Maryland? How did we get here? For years, we've had decisions made by elected officials that is focused on growing the county and not focused on protecting our children's education. It's not okay that our children are sitting all day in portable trailers. It's not okay that they have to run in and out of the weather to get to class. It's not okay that our teachers are teaching outside of the main building. As a mom and a teacher and your Nix County Commissioner, I pledge to you that we will focus on our children. We will put our children first.